Hey YouTube, Lucky here from the lab, and today I've got a really cool video to make for you. I have exactly 24 ethereal keys, 5, 10, 15, 20, 24. I have 24 ethereal keys, and I'm going to open up every single raid chest. I'm going to mute this music real quick so that you can hear me nice and clear. There's exactly 24 chests, and all I'm looking for is I want to get every exotic on my warlock. I'll show you here my collections. I'm missing Phoenix Protocol and Geomag stabilizers. That's all I'm missing. So hopefully I can get those two and complete my entire collection in Destiny 2, have full exotic completion. It's taken a long time to get 24 ethereal keys, as you can imagine. So let's see how this goes here. What do we get first? Risk Runner! Great! We're off to a good start here! Nation of Beasts. Oh, shit! Outlaw Rampage drop mag? Feels good! That's a god roll! Alright, Bond of the Great Hunt. Yes, this is like Christmas! Oh my god. Oh my god. It feels so good. There's just so much loot. Age-old Bond? Alright. I'll look through all my loot after I've grabbed them all. Nation of Beasts again? Zen Moment Rampage? Okay, not quite as good, but still. We're an interesting start. Hood of Mask. Okay, I'll look at that helmet in a second. Got a chest piece as well. Got another helmet. Got that. Techian Force. Got some gloves. Where's the exotics at? There's 24 chances of getting Geomags. You gotta be kidding me. Fuck you, Apex Predator. You go suck dick. No one likes you. Oh my god. This is some bullshit. Okay, at least we got that. So we got a little bit of Masterwork cores. Oh no. Oh my god, 2 of them? Yeah! Fuck! Feels good. Let's go. It worked. Yes. Yes. PogChamp in the chat. Let's go. I already had that one. That could have been my Phoenix Protocol. Fuck. Okay. Hey, Power over 9,000. Thank you so much. There it is. I opened every single chest. I got all the loot. All 24 chests open. I have no more ethereal keys. I used them all. That took a long time. That was a lot of setup. Do you know how long it took to set that up? You can only get 3 a week. So if you do the math, that's like 8 weeks. It took me 2 months to make this video. 2 months. So smash that like button and subscribe for more. This is a 2-month setup for one video. I want at least 2 likes on this video. 2. 1 for each month. Please. Alright, let's see what stuff we got here. We got a full auto head seeker chattering bone. Not bad. Outlaw head seeker. Obviously the 2 curated rolls. That'll be good for Masterwork cores. Techian Force with Kill Clip Rampage. That's awesome. That's a really unique fusion roll. Of course, we got this Nation of Beasts, which I'm actually super stoked about. This thing is a god roll, Nation of Beasts. Apex Predator, suck a dick. Got some helmets here. Let's see if we got any enhanced perks. We got some pump action. Nothing too crazy, looks like. Just some regular helmets. I've gotten a ton of these, so not really too jazzed by any of that. Normal chest piece. My Geomags. Yes, this is what I wanted, though. This is good. This is very good. Very happy about that. Put those on right now. Right now. Cool. Got some stuff. Sweet. So that's my loot. That's my loot. That's all 24 chests being opened. 1 character. Again, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it. Make sure to subscribe for more. And we'll see you guys in Joker's Wild. We'll be grinding a ton of Gambit. So hopefully you guys come by the streams. Twitch.tv/LuckyBW. And I'll see you in the next video.